We will now perform 2 sets of different pranayama practices. The first one being Anuloma Viloma. For this, we will place our hands in Vishnumudra, wherein your index finger and thumb is bent and the rest are not. Placing it towards your nose, blocking the left side of your nose. We will inhale with the right, close the right nostril and exhale through your left. Now inhaling through your left, close your left nostril and exhale through your right nostril. A continuous practice of this for the next few minutes is called the practice of Anuloma and Viloma. We will now move on to the next set of pranayama practice, which is called the Kapalabathi, wherein we are going to sit with Mudra on our thighs, shoulders rolled out and spine straight. You sit comfortably, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, pull your navel back towards the spine. As you relax the navel and abdomen, the breath flows into your lungs automatically. A continuous form of the same is called Kapalabathi, where we inhale and exhale while trying to touch our navel to our spine. Slowly open your eyes and relax.